Just wanted to make a quick video about the laser exhaust because a lot of people ask about best or easiest way to exhaust the laser. This is the easiest way I've found, where you just put in a small window. I've got this one from like Home Depot or something for about $50, and then just use a piece of wood that's wide enough. This was a bit of our kitchen countertop, but just a piece of wood that you can cut the hole in and feed the laser, stick it all down well, and then when you want to use the laser you can just open this window up to that point, and that works good for me. And this is only like a small room, so yeah, that's one easy way to get the laser, to get the exhaust out the window, out of the room, rather than, especially, wouldn't like to try and run it through the ceiling, or this has got 12-foot ceiling. Or the other way is, if you've got a horizontal type window, so I used to have my laser in this side. If you've got a window that runs like this way, I made this little, that's where the exhaust would go out there, and then this part on top is on hinges. So what I used to do, I'll try and do this one-handed, is you just unlock unlock the window, and then when you lift it out, then you can just flap that down, and then that way you can get out, your pipe can get outside, but the wind, so the cold's blocked out. And then when you're finished, you just lift this up, lift the flap, let it drop back down. But yeah, that worked fine. Just I moved the laser in the other room. But that's the easiest way that I've found. I mean, there's other ways to vent it out, but the nice thing with this way is when you're done using the laser, you just close the window, and then the room stays nice and warm as well. There's no no cold coming back up the pipe or nothing like that. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video to show that, because like I say, a lot of people ask the best way, and this is the cheapest and easiest way that I've found. Yeah, so there you go. Thanks.